With hire, your gear's all sorted and well maintained. So you pick up a concrete saw, it looks brand new, it looks clean. You start it starts first time. There'd be another thing when I get leads. I just grab them off Hirepool because they're all tagged. A good result for us with Hirepool, although I have a lot of my own gear, if it ever breaks down, they can get me gear instantly. And sometimes that's exactly what you need, especially washing off big exposed like this one behind us. They just have the right gear for the right job. I've been dealing with Hirepool for close to 40 years now, so the service I find excellent. It's not during the times when everything's going well that people come to the fore. It's when suddenly we've had a breakdown and we need another piece of equipment. No, Paul's excellent, and Denise, who works there, I've known for over 30 years, so obviously shows that Hirepool retain their staff for quite a while. Hirepool saved me a couple of times, but especially if a water blaster breaks down while you're washing and exposed and you've only got limited time, I've had to race away and they've sorted one for me. I would partner with Hirepool because of their service, how many branches they have everywhere, the quality of their gear. Hirepool would be most suited to everyone really. I'll use them for my weekend work around the house, I use them for work, and obviously you must be supplying plant units and generators and everything to bigger sites, so there is no size of business that Hirepool can't help.